So very good evening, guys. So in the previous class, we have studied what is web scraping. So basically, what is the use of web scraping? Why we use web scraping? What is the importance of web scraping? So we have also explored different tools on web scraping. Especially, we have explored uh, a tool called Web Scrapper. So we have scrapped the data from different e-commerce websites. So we know how to use the tool, and we have created different selectors, and we instructed the tool how to extract the data, right? So we also told that basically web scraping is the initial work of data scientist or data analyst. So what we did here in web scraping, so we used this tool called Web Scrapper. So we use this we use this tool called Web Scrapper. So, and with the help of this tool called Web Scrapper, we also extracted the data, so from different websites, and we loaded it into CSV file, yes or no, .csv file. Okay, fine. So yesterday we have there is a very complete discussion on how to extract the data from the e-commerce website and all. So once we extract the data, that is nothing but we call it as a raw data. Raw data. Okay, fine. So now, in the initial classes, I told you, once the data analyst extracts the raw data, so he should clean the data, yes or no? Fine. So let us go back to the previous classes. So if you go back to the previous classes, yeah. So we have discussed about the raw data. So this is the raw data. So basically, once uh, you know, once the data has been extracted from different sources. It can be an Amazon website or Flipkart website with the help of web scraping technology. Okay, so what the data scientist or data analyst should do? We should clean the data. Yes or no? So why we should clean the data? Because data is having some certain kinds of uh, corrections. Okay, so are certain kinds of unwanted things. It is in unstructured way. So we need to convert the unstructured data into structured data with the help of tools. Okay, what are these tools called as? Data mining tools. So basically, so as a data scientist or a data analyst, it is my responsibility to use certain data cleaning tools. After conducting web scraping, it is my duty to use data cleaning tools in order to clean the data. So what is the cleaning data? Converting the unstructured data to the structured data. So one such, I also told you we use different types of data cleaning tools. So these are all different types of data cleaning tool what we have discussed in the previous classes. Today we are going to do some hands-on exercise on a data cleaning tool. Okay, mostly widely used data cleaning tool in the industry, and it is an open source tool called OpenRefine. Okay, so we'll do hands-on demo class today on OpenRefine. OpenRefine is a data cleaning tool. Okay, it is a freely available tool in the market. So we will download this tool, we'll upload the data which we have scrapped from the website yesterday, and we'll clean the data. Okay, so today it's completely practical exercise for you. So just uh, you can open your browser. So just use your Google Chrome. You can use your Google Chrome. Okay, so or Microsoft, whatever maybe. Okay, so get into your Google Chrome. So I'll make you to do some hands-on. Okay, so basically let me explain first. Just understand my pitch, understand my the way I'm doing the things, how I install this openrefine.com tool, all these things and all. Okay, then you can practice by seeing the video. Okay, so if you have any questions in the next class, I will make you to do hands-on. Don't worry. Okay. So just you should get into the you can open any browser. So it can be Microsoft Edge, or it can be Firefox, and it can be Chrome. Okay. So I'm opening in the Microsoft Edge. Okay. Basically, just get into the OpenRefine .org. It is a website, the official website of the OpenRefine tool. Okay, the website name is OpenRefine.org. Okay, just I'm putting the chart window. So just you can open this in your laptop. Okay, so once you open this website, so of OpenRefine tool, you find something called as download here. Click on this download, so you can download the file here. So mostly 90% you will be using Windows operating system. Okay, suppose if you are using Mac OS, you should download here. Okay, so if you are using Apple laptop, you should download here. Okay, so but if you are using the Windows operating system directly, you can click here. Once you click here, automatically a zip file will be downloaded to your my downloads. So you can go to the downloads. I have already downloaded. See here, I'm able to see this file. This file will get downloaded. Okay, just you can just cut and paste. You can just copy this file and get into your C folder. Get into the C folder, copy this file here, and you can extract this file to this folder. Click on extract all so that it gets opened as a folder. Now, when you double click this folder, okay, so you find something called as OpenRefine. Okay, this is OpenRefine as an application here. See here, application. When you double click this application, automatically what happens, automatically what happens, a script will run and it will open the software called OpenRefine. Okay, fine. So already it has been opened here. Okay, so just see here. So this is the software. Okay, this is the OpenRefine tool. This is the OpenRefine tool. This is how dashboard of OpenRefine tool will appear. Okay, as soon as you click on this file. Hope you are able to understand, right? Okay. See, Bidam, please click on join audio. You should click on join audio in order to, there is an option called join audio. Click on that join audio button so that you can listen the words what I am telling. I think you would have forgotten here it's very clear that you are not using this join audio. Click on join audio with them. I think he's facing some issue, right? Okay, so basically, Rajini, hope you understood, right? Do you have any queries how we got here?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
You got it right. So what we did, we went to a website called openrefine.org.
OpenRefine.
Okay, OpenRefine is a data cleaning tool. It is also called as Google Refine. Basically, it is a tool
Google.
created by the Google, developed by the Google. Okay, so they developed this in order to clean the data. Okay, so openrefine.org. Okay, so now basically we will get it to the website and click on download. So you'll get this button. Just click on this button. When you click on this button, what happens? A folder will be downloaded in the download sessions. So see here, this is a download. So just copy and paste this folder in the C drive. Okay, just you can copy and paste this folder in the C drive. So right click on this folder, click on extract all. When you click on extract all, so it will be, you'll get a folder with the same name. Just double click on this, again double click on this folder, get into this folder. Now you'll find something called as OpenRefine. See here, you will get diamond symbol. This is this .exe file. It is executable file. It is an application. When you double click on this, automatically your user interface or your OpenRefine tool will be opened like this. Okay. Now you should know how to clean the data. Now you should know how to clean the data basically. Okay, see, yesterday we have used web scraping tool, right? So what we did basically, so we have used web scraper tool in order to scrap the data. That's it, we didn't clean the data. So shall we get into this previous data what we have scrapped, that is extracted? So again I'll go to downloads, or else so yeah, so I'll go to downloads. So this is the data what we have extracted, right? E-commerce or Amazon.com. Okay, just I'm double clicking. So this is the data what we extracted, that is which we have scrapped from the Amazon like website, e-commerce website. Yes or no? So this is not a clean data. Basically, this data is not clean. This is a raw data. See, how can I tell whether the data is cleaned or not? Okay, just instead of taking this much of big data, I'll take very small data for your easy understanding. Okay, so I'm taking this data. Basically, this data will explain, average sales in the area based on this area. Okay, now see this data. You have area and you have sales. So in which area, how much sales has happened? It is explaining about this. A very simple data. So assume that you have used web scraping tool and extracted this data from some website. Okay. Okay. Now, so whenever you have extracted this data, you see here. Okay, this North America is same as this North America. Yes or no? But there is some difference. What is this here? Everything is small case letter and there is underscore between North and America. But here, okay, N and A are capital and there is no underscore. See, for human being, we are able to understand that these both are same. Yes or no? Both are same. What is that? It is the North America because we have only one North America. We don't have two North Americas. Yes or no? For human being, you can understand. But for computer or for machine learning model, it will treat it as two separate entities because it is having some difference in the text. Okay, it will classify as a two separate entities. So this is the fault in this data. Okay, in this raw data. So as a data analyst, how can we clean this data? Cleaning means how can we eradicate, basically how can we solve this issue basically. Okay, so we need to convert this into common data. So that is the work of data analyst. Cleaning is also one of the work of data analyst. So how can we do this data? How can we do this data cleaning? Okay, so with the help of OpenRefine tool. So that we are going to explain now. So just I'm closing this file. So now, so I'm this is the user interface of OpenRefine. It's very easy tool, don't worry. Okay. Just now we need to select the file where we want to clean. Now assume that you have scrapped, you have collected the raw data with the help of web scraping tool. Okay. So where you have area and the sales. Okay. Now I need to clean that. I need to clean the data. Okay. Now choose that file. Go to file. Okay. So where you can save that folder in whichever format you want, in whichever folder you want. So I'm this is a .csv file. See that it should be in .csv format. I'm selecting this file. Okay. Just click on this file. Now click on next. The file got selected. Click on next. So the data has been uploaded. See here, the data has been uploaded. Whatever the raw data we collected, we have extracted in the .csv file in the previous class. We uploaded into this data cleaning tool called OpenRefine. Okay, now see here in the area column, we have something, what do you call it? Fault in the data. Okay, see this is a North America. This is also North America, but it is in not the same format. So what happens, the computer, the machine learning algorithm, whenever we are giving this data for the machine learning model, it will treat these two as a separate entities. Okay, then it will cause some error. But as a human being, we can understand that both are same as North America. So we need to do something like we need to clean this. We should make the algorithm to understand. So we should clean this, or we should convert this format into the same format. Okay. So how can you do basically? So that we will discuss. Now, once we extract the data, upload the data, raw data to your open refine file, just click on create projects. Click on create project. That's it. So the project has been created now. Now you need to clean this data. So in order to clean this data, which data you want to clean? You want to clean the data in the area column. Click on the area. Click on facet. Click on text facet. What I did here, click on area. There is something called as a triangle mark in the showing in the below direction. Click on this. Click on facet. Click on text facet. Okay, fine. Now you are able to see here. Okay, so okay, just click on. You are able to see in the left hand side something you are able to see the data related to the area, right? Okay. Now click on cluster. Okay, click on cluster. Okay, so just 1 minute. It is not able to detect. So I will restart the project again. Remove all. So what I'll do, I'll extract the, I'll go back and I'll extract the things again. So before that, I will do some small modifications to this file. So what I'll do, I will add something called as here as Asia. Okay, I did small change. This is like North underscore America. Okay, fine. So just I change this. See, both are Asia actually. Okay, but this is small scale letter. This is a big slate. You know, it's upper case letter. But the computer or machine learning algorithm will treat this as different. Okay, here also it is different. Just I'm saving this file. I'm closing this file. Again, I'm trying to upload. We'll see how what happens. So choose these files. Click on this. Next, uploading the data. Yes. So create a project. Okay. So now I want to clean this. Basically, I want to clean this column, the data in the column. Okay. Put in the proper format. Clean means putting in the proper format, which is understandable for the machine learning model. So click here, click on facet, click on text facet. Okay. So now, so basically when I click on cluster, see here, when I click on cluster, it is showing something. It is able to find two redundant, you know, uh, you know, uh, two redundant data. So even though Asia, both are same, okay, ASIA is same as ASIA. This is what is the difference here? This is A is capital, here A is small. For human being, both are same, but now your machine learning algorithm it is treating it as different. See here, row count 2, it is treating as a 2 row count. Okay, so but you need to tell to your machine learning algorithm these two are same. It's nothing but Asia. Okay, so what we should do, we should click on merge. Okay, then we should click on merge selected and recluster. When you click on this merge selected and recluster, what happens, it will combine both and it will think that, okay, so whatever, okay, so whatever the two data are available, it's nothing but Asia, it's nothing but Asia, this Asia. Okay, both are same. You are telling to the machine learning model that both are same, they are not different. Okay, that is you are cleaning the data basically. So click on merge selected and recluster. Okay, done. Okay, just click on close. Now see here. Now see here. Asia, Asia. See here, it has constructed, it has revised the things. It has revised the things. Previously, it was small a. Now it is capital A. Now the machine learning algorithm, you know, it won't treat it as different things. It will treat it as the same thing. Now you can export this. You can export this to Excel file. Okay, now see here it is exported. Open this file. Click on open. Now see here the data has been converted. Yes or no? Now this is the file or a data given by the OpenRefine tool. After cleaning the data, whatever the data we got, you know, this is the data. So can we compare with the, you know, the data what we have stored in this folder? Okay, so this is the data, this is the file, original file. Okay, this is the original file. Now see here, this is the original file. See here, small, this is the where it is a third, you see the third column, it is small scale letter is A. So this is the old data, basically. This is the old data where you have some errors. What is the error? This small, the first letter in Asia is small case. Yes or no? Now you cleaned, you structured this data, you converted this is an unstructured data. You converted this unstructured data into the structured data with the help of OpenCV, and this is the output of this OpenCV file. Hope you are able to understand, right? Okay. So this is how we can use the OpenCV, OpenRefine, tool in order to clean the data. So basically, this is the process, a very simple process. Okay. So now we'll get into what you call another. We'll take another file, then we'll try to clean the data. Okay, so the same procedure again. Okay, so click on open file. So I'm taking this Apshala file. So this is like lead information. We got a number of leads from LinkedIn. Click on this, click on next. Okay, so it's uploading data. So this is the data what we got. Okay, this is the data what we got. Okay, from the LinkedIn of different professionals. Okay, so basically now if you see here, we have lead ID, time created, date, okay, campaign ID, from which campaign it is created, okay, then the form name, first name Gayatri, last name, okay, then email address, okay. So we have something called as a LinkedIn profile, okay, LinkedIn profile, then phone number, then state, state, okay. So all these things. Now, can you tell me, basically what is the fault in this data? Now see here, I can see degree, right? Okay, you are able to see the degree column, right? Okay. So what is the fault in this data? Just I'll create a project first. Click on create project. Let me create a project. Now, what is the fault in this data? So, for example, okay, I'll take the degree. Okay. Now see here, in degree, this is also BSc, this is a BSc. Okay. Now, because there is something text here, food service management nutrition, and there is no text here. Okay, these two are treated as different by the system. Okay, fine. So now regarding, you have something called as here, Bachelor of Computer Applications. See here, BTech. This is also BTech. Both are same, but this is, the system will treat it as, these two are different because here it is written it as Bachelor of Technology BTech. Here it is written it as simple like BTech, but in all small space letter. So this is the fault in the data. So you need to see, you need to maintain in a proper format. You need to maintain in the proper format whenever you are giving this data to the machine learning model in order to train it. If you're not maintaining the proper format, what happens, the predictions will be in a different way. So this is a raw data where we have all these irregularities or unstructured data. We need to convert this unstructured data to the structured data. Okay, so how the same thing what we proceed, what are the same thing what we did in the previous, the same thing. Okay, so now just again I want to clean this column. Basically click on this row facet, click on text facet. Okay, now see here it is counting the frequencies of this text. See here, BA, we have three types here. BA, then BE3. I told you na, even though BE is same here, see here we have Bachelor of Technology 1, again here, okay, Bachelor of Technology 2, again there is one more, okay, Bachelor of Technology 1, 2, 3, there is one more here down, okay, inside down. If you go down you get, so it is counting it as 3. Okay, so even though Bachelor of B is same everywhere for human being, but it is considered, the mission is considered it as 3 times. See here, three times it has considered. Okay, so this you should remove. So click on this Bachelor of Technology. See here, 3. See here, 3. Okay, so basically, you need to remove this. You need to convert this structured data into unstructured data. So basically, okay, see here, 2. Okay, so can we click on cluster? There is no anything, everything is fine. BA cluster. So let me remove all these things. Okay, cluster, no. So there is no data. So basically we should find whichever is redundant. Whichever is redundant. Okay, so there is no redundant in this. Basically, VTech thing is there. So we need to find the redundant data here. Okay, so let me see nearest, no. So even I can get into this. Let me get into BTech BE. Okay, click on cluster, e neighborhood, PFP, nothing is getting done. So there is no basically redundant data, it is not getting into. So what we do, we can create some redundant data as the previous, then we can get into the things. The process is same, okay? The procedure is same, okay? So what we do, again, we open, okay, the new file. So we get into this file, we create some, so what the data, whatever we are using, it doesn't have any, what you call, everything is fine. It's telling it everything is fine, no need of cleaning the data. So basically, we wantedly will do some manipulations or we take some columns. Okay, we do something. Okay, so here we can do one thing. We can use this column called free demo. So it is true. Here I'll write it as true in the small case. True dot dot. Okay, it is false. Here I write as false dot dot. Okay, fine. Again, true. T, I'll write like this, TRUE dot dot. So just have creating some differences, that's it. So that the system will identify the differences and we need to clean this. Assume that wantedly I'm putting some, what you call, unstructured things here. Okay, so now I'm saving this. So again, close this window. So now open your OpenRefine tool, choose the file, Shala LinkedIn. Okay, so getting into things. Okay, create the project. Now, so I need to get into, so where is this? Yeah, this is the column, right? Where I included some unstructured data. So this true is same as this true. Both are same, but the system will think these two are different. Okay, so we need to clean this basically and tell to system that these two are same. So click on text fact. Okay, fine. So click on cluster. Yeah. Now see here. Wantedly, we created an error in the data, in the raw data. So whatever the raw data we got in the Apshala, it is very clean. No need of what you call no need of doing any modifications. But wantedly, in order to create some unstructurality, what we did, we change the structure of the data, we created some impurities. What is that impurities? Like this. Now the system is, it is telling that, there are 40 rows like true and there is one row like true. Okay, so it gets confused. It is thinking that okay, this row is different from these 40 rows. Similarly, okay, we have 15 rows like false and 2 rows like false. Okay, it is thinking like different entities. Now we need to tell that these two are the same entities. This is both are same entities. True. This is same as false. Okay, we need to tell to the system that these two are same. So how to tell? Just click on merge. So merge. Suppose if you want to do multiple merges at the same time, you can just select all. Click on select all. Okay, so what you should tell? Both are nothing but true. Both are nothing but false. Okay, even though there is some dots here, even though it is a small scale letter, it is nothing but false. Okay, even though it is having dots here, and even though the first letter is capital, it is nothing but true. You are labeling the data here. So what type of learning it is? It is nothing but supervised learning, which we have studied in the previous classes. Okay, so now with this, just again click on merge selected and recluster. When you click on merge selector recluster, okay, so automatically the unstructured data will be converted into structured data. Okay, click on this. That's it. It is done. Okay, fine. So just close this. So see here. Again, you can refresh. Okay, so you can refresh the system. Okay. So let me see the clustering. So it is done. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now you can export. And export for the file. So once you open the file, okay, still it is true only. But see here, okay, but see here, it has converted the false. Okay, now you should tell me why it is tr, why this data has not been replaced. It has replaced the other data, false data, but this data has not been replaced. So we need to investigate why it has been done. Yes or no? Okay, now if you compare your actual file, okay, so you can see the previous. I will get you to the actual file. So this is my actual file. See here, this is my, see here, this is a false. Column number 5. Column number 5, we have a false with 2 dots. But now this is the, see the output of the column number 5 of the output of the OpenRefine. See here, it has replaced with a false. Okay. So, but why it is not replaced with a true? Let us investigate. Okay. So let us get into this parent data. Okay. Parent data is true. Yes. Third column. But here also it's true. Why it didn't, get into? Yes. Okay. So we need to investigate this. Why it is not getting into this? So let us select this cluster. Okay. True. Okay. Cluster. Okay. Fine. Fine. Then false is done. All the false is done. Okay. 142. True. Yes, true. Okay. So what we can do again, just what we do, we will open this file again. We'll try to see what is the type of this basically. Yeah. See why it is not taking, because you don't have like you don't have like this data, like multiple data. You have only one data. Okay. Like this data, you have only one row in the entire system. Okay, you can check your entire system. You have only one row. Okay, just true double dot is the only one data having entire system basically. That is the reason why it is taking it as separately. It is not showing it as what you call separate entity. It is taking it as independent entity. That is the reason why your system, your tool, it is showing it as true still. Okay, yeah, it is able to recognize that it is true only. Fine. So this is the reason. Now you can export. Once you export, you can get the clean data. Okay. Hope you understood. So basically, this is how we'll be doing the cleaning process. Okay. This is how we use your OpenRefine. Okay. So just what you can do, you can use simple tools. Simple data, and you can download them from Kaggle. Okay. You have a Kaggle, right? Okay. Just get into Kaggle dataset. So get into the Kaggle sales dataset. Okay. So you can download some data sets like this. Okay. So you have a same data set here. Just click on data sets. Okay. So sugarcane leaf data set. Okay. This is a sugarcane leaf data set. Fine. So n number of data I have. Still, you can download a COVID-19 data set. Okay. So let me download this COVID-19 data set. Okay. So you need to sign up. Okay. Okay, something I don't know this. Okay, fine. So download this Kaggle dataset, no problem. So same, you apply the same procedure. You upload this in your open refine tool. Okay, then try to clean the data. Okay, so let us explore. Okay, so explore how to do the things. Fine. So we have taken very only 2 files in this example in this class. But what you do, you download a number of data sets and upload to your open refine and start cleaning the data. Okay, fine. So this is how. Now, so apart from this, I want to discuss another tool called Accio today, which is also very important tool. Basically, it is a complex tool, but you do not get into deep. Best Accio will help you to give some predictions. It will make your life very very easier. So how to download this Accio? Just get into the site called accio.com. Okay, so just click on try for free. When you try for free, it will ask you to sign in with the help of Google account. I already signed in, so when I click on type for free, so I'll be getting into Accio app. Basically, it's a web based. Basically, okay. See here, this is a user interface of your Accio app. So Accio is also data cleaning tool, one of the data cleaning tool. Okay. So just see here, you have already data sets here. One is retail data sets, employee iteration data sets. You have churn prediction company data sets. Okay. So credit card fraud demo. Okay. You have retail sales forecasting. Okay. All these are the data sets. Already it is there here for the test purpose. Okay. So we will take sales data sets, retail data sets for your understanding. So first you need to click on create new project. Okay. So now first what you need to do, you need to upload your data set. Okay, click on table. Okay, so you need to upload your data set, or you can use your data set whichever you have scrapped in the previous classes. It can be Amazon data set or COVID data set, or you can use this the existing data set. Okay, fine. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using this existing data set. Okay, so just I will use what you call this data. Let me use this data called retail sales data set. This double click on this. Okay, see here, the data has been uploaded. So this is the retail sales data where you have store ID, employee number, area, date, sales, marketing spends, electronics sales, all these things. Okay. Now basically, you want to do some exploration. See, for example, click on explore here. So you want to get some information. Just ask this, I'll be asking this tool, what is the average sales by area? So when I click on, when I just type, what is the average sales by area? Click enter, hit enter. So you are just asking the question to this Axio, which is AI based tool. Okay, it is using some generative AI technology, and it will generate a report for you. Okay, see here, it is preparing a report for you. You don't need any coding, any knowledge, any coding knowledge, any programming knowledge, nothing. Okay, so it has given a report for you. Just what you have asked here, you asked what is the average sales by the area for this data set. Whatever the data set I have created, I have uploaded, in that for the data sets, I want to know what is the average sales by area. So just I asked it this tool, it is throwing the data for me. So this is the average sales in Asia Pacific. This is the average sales in Europe. This is the average sales in North America and South America. So that's it. So you want to see what you can save this report. When you click on save report, it will go here and save, and the report section, it will go on the save report. You want to see the approach, okay, how it has done this. Basically it has written one small SQL query program language. Now, do you know this SQL? You don't know. Why you should know SQL? No need to do. Basically, everything it will take care. That is the reason why no coding is required for data analytics. Everything tool will take care. Okay, just you should know how to use this tool. Basically, similarly, I want to explore some other things on my data set. Okay, so I want to basically, I want to know. Just let me look into my data set. This is my data set. I want to know. I want to compare the sales in different regions. Okay, how much sales I'm getting in Asia. Okay, so how much sales I'm getting in North America. So just I want to compare, and I want to plot the chart. So I not write any code. Basically, I can click on explore. Just ask a question to this robot, or ask a question to this AI tool. So compare. Okay, comparison chart for of sales based on area. Click enter. Hit enter. So I'm using my own words. Okay, I'm using my own words. So it is interpreting like this. So I'm telling to this Accio, which is an AI tool. just comparison chart of sales based compare. I need a comparison chart of sales based on area. That is, I want to understand how much sales has happened in which area, how much sales has happened in Asia, how much sales has happened in North America, how much sales has happened in South America, and I want to present in the chart. So it is able to understand like this. Create a bar chart showing the total sales of each area in the data set. That's it. Now, if you go down, see here, beautiful chart it has created by itself. I didn't write any program with my hand. Yes or no? Just I asked, a one question for him. Can you compare the sales in area and give the report? It gave within second, fraction of seconds. This is the power of AI tool, which is called as Axio. So this is the power of AI tools. So how it is happening with the help of generative AI technologies. Okay. So what you did here, just you uploaded your data set, okay, to this tool, and you are creating some n number of reports. By creating this n number of reports, what you're doing, you are analyzing something. Okay, fine. So see here, see here Asia. By seeing this, graph or bar chart, this is the sales in the Asia region. This is the sales in the Europe region. This is the sales in the North America. So which is high performing country? South America. In South America, we are getting more sales. Then in Asia, we're getting the second sales. Then third sales, third place goes to Europe. Fourth place goes to North America. Why the sales in North America is very less compared to Europe? Okay, and what is the reason for the hike in the sales in South America? So all these decisions you are able to take it with the help of this tool in fraction of seconds. Okay, this is like AI tool. Okay, now if you want to save this report, I want to save this report in my dashboard. Okay, or in the report section, click on save these reports, or you can download also. If you want download, so I will save. Okay, so already it is saved. See here, this is a previous report what I have saved. I have saved here. Okay, so I want to okay, so I want to see how this report has been generated. Show the approach. Click on show the approach. Okay, see here. Again, it has written some what you call code. Fine. So, but you are nowhere related to this code. I don't want. I'm least bothered about this coding. Yes or no? I don't know about this coding. So, if you want to download this report, I can download. Yes, see here. It has downloaded the image. Click on this image. See here. You can share to anyone. Yes or no? In fraction of seconds. If you want to see if it is a see what are the data you have uploaded here. What are the data set you have uploaded? If it is a live data set, if it is a live data set means, for example, stock exchange. Every day data will be uploaded. Yes or no? In the stock every day, shares will be changing. The value of the shares will be changing. The gold price will be changing. It's called a live data set. Okay, if you have a live data set, obviously your graphical representation also will be live. You can click on refresh. Okay, so every time it will be refreshing and it will be showing the graphical as per your data set. So these are all things you can perform within seconds with the help of these tools. Okay, so Axio is one of the powerful machine learning modeling tool, okay, which uses generative AI technology in order to generate all these reports. It also predicts something, n number of things. But as of now, this is what is this predictive analysis. This is forecasting. We studied something called as predictive analytics. Yes or no? Okay. So with the help of this predictive analytics, we can know what is going to happen in the future. Yes or no? How my sales is going to happen in the future. For example, if you click on predict, I want to predict. Just click on home sales. I want to predict the home sales. Click on home sales. See here, algorithm is running back. See here, it is giving the results. Okay, how my home sales will be, you can just change here in the form of graphics. Click here. Okay, see here how my so home sales in the December is more. In the January it has gone down. Again November it is more. Again February, April it is gone down. So this is all predictions. It go like this. So you not write any code here. Basically, you not write code here. Don't worry. It will take some time to understand all these things once you get into future. So just understand this how to upload the data, and once you upload your data set to this tool, how to explore the data, how to visualize the data in fraction of seconds. Just click on explore, ask something, I want to what you call show me the histogram of employee number. Okay, just it will show you the report. Okay, so you can do anything. Basically, this is a histogram of employee number. Okay, so basically all these things are very very important in order to take some analysis or decisions. Okay, so you can just click on reports, and what are the reports you added, or you can get into the things. Fine. So this is a brief introduction of some of the tools what we use in day-to-day life as a data scientist or data analyst. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll share you this recording for you. You can go through this and you can practice in your home how to use these tools in a brief. Okay. So not to worry, in future we'll go in. Okay. So see how to use these tools in them. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So this is about today's class. You have any questions, Rajani? You have any questions? Yeah,
No, sir.
yeah. So be them. So no, right? Okay, fine. So I think other students have texted Samir that they'll be going to recording because they are today they are busy. Yeah, with some works. Fine, guys. Uh, See you soon tomorrow. Then I mean next day, next class. Your next class will be on Saturday, same timings. Okay, we'll try to explore some of the tools like this. Then we'll get into something called as a Python. Okay, fine, fine. Chal. All the best. Thank you so much. Good night.
Sir, one question, like when
Yeah.
will you start the Excel, sir?
See, basically, after Python, we'll be starting the Excel. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Okay.
because we're not hurry in getting into the Excel part. Because see, if you observe, what we did, we understood first of all what is data set. Then we understood what is raw data set, right? So we understood how to extract the data set, right? Okay. So how to extract this raw data
Yes,
set.
sir.
Also understood how to clean this data set. Okay. So now there is no meaning in rushing into the Excel because there are tools. But once you understand the concept, you can easily understand the tools how to use. Okay, that is not a problem, right? So
Yes,
once we
start, sir. Okay, sir.
no problem. Once we finish the programming, Python programming, we can get into Excel also. Fine. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajini. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Good
Bye-bye.
night.